One of the things that I feel in the book was really, stood out, but many people probably would never think about this is the last truth here. You
Mhm.
must make peace with your parents.
Yeah.
Talk about that, because I feel like a lot of people have very complicated relationships with their
Yeah.
parents, especially in
Yeah.
this generation where so much has changed from when they grew up, or so many beliefs and how you should do things is different from your parents. Why do we need to make peace with that?
Well, because if you don't, basically, our relationship with our parents are going to show up in our romantic relationships, whether we
Mm,
like it or not, rightly or wrongly, for better or for worse. I had a very complicated relationship with my father. There was a lot of emotional abuse in my childhood. Um, so making just to be clear, if you've been molested or severely abused, I don't think you need to make peace with your parent.
mhm,
I think it's best that you just never speak to that person again. But making peace with your parent, number one, doesn't mean that you actually have to have like a great relationship with them. You can still have very strong boundaries. Number two, you could have a wonderful relationship with your parent, but making peace with the parent with whom you have a loving relationship might mean breaking up with them as the leaders of your belief system. So
mhm.
you're changing your relationship with them. So instead of being a lawyer when you really want to be an artist because you always felt like your parents really wanted you to be a lawyer, making peace with your parent is basically saying, I'm going to now live the life that I want to live, and I'm not going to be afraid of your judgment of me because that's not our relationship anymore. Making peace with your parent is learning how to relate to your parent even if it's just in your mind as an adult rather than through the filter of your childhood. And so it's changing any story or narrative that might have its hands gripped around your neck, constricting your breathing so that you're not living the life that you're meant to live because of some story that you have around a parent. So making peace with your parent is really making peace with the story that you have about your parent, and that comes with a different perspective, and that's what that truth is all about, and it will set you free. And
Mhm.
I felt very qualified to write that question, to write that chapter because of my own relationship with my father. So I think that it's going to make people gasp when they see it, but I think that reading it is going to be life changing for them.
Absolutely. I mean, I've noticed that how impactful it could be, even with certain therapies like family constellation work and things like
Uh-huh.
that Bert
Sure.
Hellinger put through, and telling those stories from a familial standpoint of where our kind of blockages are that are creating such trauma and emotional distress, and releasing that, right? The
Yes.
release of that and making peace without actually having to have that person there that may have harmed you, hurt you, or done something. Right. So
Yes.
it's so
Yes.
important in your own healing and own self-love journey.
Yes. Even if the making peace is recognizing that whatever love you did not receive as a child has nothing to do with your worth, and being able to see the experience of your parent and why they may have acted that way so that you can free yourself from that narrative.